Hello students, in this video we will learn deletion of first node in doubly linked list. There are three types of deletion that we can perform on doubly linked list. First, deletion of node from first position, that means we can delete first node from the doubly linked list. Second is deletion of node from last position, that means we can delete last node of the doubly linked list. And deletion from a specified position, that means we can delete any specified node from the doubly linked list. First we will see how to delete first node from doubly linked list, then we will see how to write algorithm for it. Logic is case 1. When doubly linked list is empty, that means value of L and R is equals to null. Then we have to print no node to delete because there is no node available in doubly linked list. Case 2 is when doubly linked list is not empty, that means value of L and R is not equals to null. So before deletion we have a doubly linked list containing three values 10, 20 and 5. L points to first node and R points to last node. So when we want to delete a node from doubly linked list and the doubly linked list is not empty, then first what we have to do, we have to point a temporary pointer to the first node of the doubly linked list. And we know that L pointer store address of first node. So we have to write temp equals to L. After deletion of this node will become the first node of the doubly linked list. So in previous pointer of this node we have to place null. For that we have to find the name of this node. As the name of this node is temp, or you can say the name of this node is L and name of this node last node is R, because these pointers are storing the address of that node. So the address of this node is stored by temp next. The name of this node is temp next or L next, because L is also pointing to this node and temp is also pointing to this node, and the link part of this node contain address of this node. So we can call this node as temp next or L next. So in previous pointer of temp next or L next we have to place null. So we have to write temp arrow next arrow previous equals to null, or we can write L arrow next arrow previous equals to null. Both these statements can store null into previous pointer of this node. When this node will become the first node of doubly linked list, we have to update the pointer L to point to this node, as we know that L always points to the first node of the doubly linked list. The address of this node we get from here. So you can write L equals to temp next or L equals to L next. So we have to write L equals to temp next. That means now L contains address 500 instead of 100 and it is pointing to this node. Finally we delete this node by writing delete temp. Now we have a doubly linked list containing two nodes. First node having value 20 and second node having value 5. So algorithm is, first we have to write algorithm column D delete underscore first, that means deletion in doubly linked list at first position. We require two parameters L and R. Purpose of this algorithm is to delete a node from first position in doubly linked list. Assumptions are L is pointed to first node, R is pointed to last node. Step 1 is check for empty doubly linked list. If value of L and R is equals to null, that means there is no node available in doubly linked list. So we have to print no node to delete and exit from this algorithm. If the doubly linked list is not empty, then we have to store the address of first node into temporary node by writing temp equals to L, and then update previous pointer of second node by null, as second node will become the first node of doubly linked list. So we have to place null into previous pointer of second node. So we have to write temp arrow next arrow previous equals to null. Step 4 is update address of L pointer, L equals to temp next, and step 5 is free the memory of first node. So we have to write delete temp, and step 6 is end. These steps I explained you in this logic. In next video we will see deleting last node from doubly linked list. Thank you.